If lingering smoke odors are making your drives unpleasant, it's time for a solution. In this guide, we'll reveal the best car freshener for smokers to keep your vehicle smelling clean, fresh, and inviting every time you hit the road. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Ceeniu Smart Car Air Freshener. The Ceeniu Smart Car Air Freshener stands out as a premium, high-tech solution for keeping your vehicle fresh, especially ideal for smokers. Built with an attractive aluminum alloy exterior and designed for durability, this device combines sleek aesthetics with reliable performance. What makes it truly appealing is the ultrasonic mist technology that disperses a visible fragrance mist, offering a unique sensory experience every time you drive. The mist not only refreshes the air, but also provides a clean, natural scent that effectively neutralizes lingering smoke odors. One of its most convenient features is the Smart Auto On-Off functionality, which detects car movement and operates automatically, sparing you from manual adjustments. This ensures that the fragrance is released only when needed, prolonging both the battery and fragrance life. Speaking of longevity, the Ceeniu air freshener boasts a powerful built-in battery that delivers up to 2 months of operation on a mere 2-hour charge, making it hassle-free for frequent drivers. Ceeniu recommends using their proprietary refills to prevent clogs and maintain optimal performance, a small but important detail for ensuring the longevity of the device. Trusted by over 800,000 drivers worldwide, this smart car air freshener elevates your driving environment while efficiently combating stubborn smoke odors. Number 2. Hitolza Smart Car Air Freshener. The Hitolza Smart Car Air Freshener offers an elegant and innovative solution for car owners looking to tackle persistent odors, especially cigarette smoke. Inspired by the natural beauty of Niagara Falls, this air freshener's distinctive waterfall design allows fragrance to cascade gently throughout the car, creating a refreshing atmosphere for every journey. It uses ultra-fine misting technology to atomize fragrance liquid into 5 micrometer particles, ensuring a longer-lasting and more evenly distributed scent experience without relying on additional chemicals. A major highlight is its advanced Smart Auto On-Off function, controlled by the latest A8 Pro chip. The device automatically activates upon detecting car vibrations and shuts off when the car is parked, delivering effortless convenience. The ability to adjust fragrance intensity and lighting effects adds a layer of personalization, allowing drivers to tailor the ambience to their preferences. This air freshener prioritizes health and safety by offering 100% natural alcohol-free scents that adhere to EPA Safer Choice IFC standards. The Hitolza package includes 2 essential oil refills capable of delivering up to 1,200 sprays each. Under normal driving conditions, these refills can last up to 6 months, making it one of the most cost-effective options in its category. The built-in 900 mAh lithium battery charges fully in just 1 hour and provides up to 14 days of continuous operation, minimizing the need for frequent recharges. Its refined, modern aesthetic complements any vehicle interior, while the soft ambient lighting enhances the driving experience without being distracting. Overall, the Hitolza Smart Car Air Freshener skillfully merges nature-inspired design with cutting-edge misting technology and thoughtful health standards. It's an excellent choice for smokers seeking to transform their car's atmosphere into a soothing, odor-free haven. With a combination of long-lasting refills, smart automation, and customizable features. Number 3. Cineo CF12 Pro Air Freshener. The Cineo CF12 Pro Air Freshener delivers a smart, luxurious, and practical option for drivers eager to maintain a consistently fresh car environment, especially helpful for eliminating smoke odors. Featuring stylish blue ambient lighting, this air freshener not only smells good, but adds a visual accent to your car's interior. Designed with convenience in mind, the CF12 Pro auto-activates upon detecting car movement, saving time and battery life. This model comes equipped with 3 adjustable scent modes, allowing you to personalize the intensity of the fragrance according to your mood or driving conditions.
The built-in 700 mAh battery ensures up to 60 days of freshness in light mode from a single 2-hour charge, making it one of the more efficient models in its class. With its intelligent functionality, you can enjoy continuous fragrance without the hassle of daily adjustments or frequent recharging. A 45 milliliter refill filled with high-quality natural fragrances from Roboté, France, is included and lasts up to 4 months. These natural alcohol-free scents are safe for everyone, including sensitive groups such as pregnant women, children, and the elderly. Cineo Care backs this product with a 1-year support plan, promising resolutions to any issues within 12 hours, adding peace of mind to your purchase. To prevent clogs and ensure peak performance, it's recommended to use Cineo's proprietary refills. Beyond its functional benefits, the CF12 Pro's compact and modern design blends seamlessly with most car interiors. It strikes a fine balance between aesthetics, technology, and user-friendly features.
Number 4. Vohu Car Air Freshener. The Vohu Car Air Freshener introduces an innovative, modern take on in-vehicle scenting with its vibration-activated technology and customizable features. Designed for drivers seeking a powerful solution to mask persistent smoke odors, it automatically starts when it detects vehicle movement and shuts off 20 minutes after the car stops, maximizing battery efficiency and fragrance use. This air freshener uses advanced nebulizing technology, delivering a waterless, mess-free scent diffusion experience. The included 10 mm essential oil provides a long-lasting aroma with each refill, capable of keeping your car smelling pleasant for several months. Refills are easily replaceable, ensuring ongoing freshness with minimal effort. One of its most appealing features is the customizable mist settings. You can switch between home and car modes, each offering 3 sensitivity levels to match your personal preferences. This makes it versatile enough to transition from car to home use, adapting to various environments while maintaining consistent performance.
Number 5. Canu 135 ml Air Freshener. The Canu 135 ml Air Freshener is a standout option for anyone looking to maintain a consistently fresh and inviting car atmosphere, particularly effective for tackling stubborn smoke odors. Equipped with a highly sensitive vibration sensor and smart chip, it automatically powers on when the car starts and turns off when it stops, ensuring effortless, energy-efficient use. What sets this model apart is its robust centrifugal turbo system, rotating at speeds up to 1200 RPM to distribute fragrance molecules effectively throughout the cabin. Despite its powerful performance, it operates at a noise level below 35 decibels, making it whisper quiet and unobtrusive during use. This air freshener uses a chlorophyll-infused fragrance blend that not only fills your vehicle with a refreshing scent, but also helps maintain a healthier atmosphere. It supports DIY scent customization, allowing drivers to fill the device with compatible essential oils to suit personal preferences. The Canu 135 features a gentle blue ambient light.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.